Good morning, friends. Nalnakshi Swami here. Welcome to my channel, Stock Index Edge. From today onwards, I'm going to start a new concept, that is liquidity concept, how it helps on the intraday. So I'll be posting, analyzing the day-to-day chart where there is liquidity, when there is liquidity sweep, how the strength will show and whether it is towards the upside or to the downside. I'm going to cover this concept so that traders can take advantage of this concept and build a strategy to profit from this concept. Here in yesterday on Nifty chart, say morning, I'm on the 15-minute chart, 15 minutes candle. You didn't see anything actually. It started coming down and it was a reversal. After that, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh candle. That is around 10:45. You can see liquidity sweep. Why I'm saying liquidity sweep? It is not clearly visible to the eye, but on close observation, you can make out the liquidity sweep because here, this is the buy candle. You can see this is the buy candle making a low of, note down please, 21,283.8. See, so definitely there will be buy stops, sell stops below this candle. So what happened? Market went up and it came. You can see the liquidity sweep over here. This candle swiftly, this is an algo trade. You cannot catch it, but still after the formation of the candle, you can note down it has made a low of 21,281.8. Only 2 points of liquidity sweep gathered momentum for the big money. So if you start observing this small little thing on your daily intraday, it may be a very profitable thing. Actually, I have found this as a very profitable rather than any strategy. And apart from that, I have an indicator called as an alligator. This liquidity sweep is happening above the moving average, shorter time period moving average, and also this Nifty created after the sweep, it created by a ping pong, engaging buyers, sellers, and sellers, confusing because they were accumulating big smart money was accumulating shares from the buyers and engaging buyers and sellers. So this liquidity sweep, noting down keeping it as 21,281.8 as your stop loss, you could have entered into a long position which would have fetched you a lot of money. Let me show it on the I've made just a second. This is a fakey trading strategy. It is bread and basics of the price action actually. Fakey trading strategy. You can read out. This is bread and butter of price action. It indicates the important level within the market. Oftentimes it appears market heading one direction and then reverse. Sucks in all the amateurs in. professionals push price back in the original setup. This candle is the symptom of the fake key bar. You can see the inside bar over here. Entry triggered. Entry triggers actually. So this is the basics of the price action. This is the bread and butter of price action. This has been developed of late as developed in a different name as liquidity sweep. This has given smart money concept. The people who are advocating the smart money concept, they have developed it as a liquidity sweep. This is nothing but a fakey trading strategy. This is bread and butter of the price action. Note down, friends, it will fetch you a lot of money. It will fetch you a lot of money even within the intraday time frame, and even on the daily time frame or weekly time frame. If you notice the liquidity sweep, then swing trading starts. That is the basics of swing. If you notice, powerful swing can be achieved. Powerful swing you can hold for many days also. See, even let me go to the option chart. I'm going to the option chart, 21,200 call option. See, this is the first 945 candle, and this option premium, it also swept the low of this candle. The first low of the candle was first 315 candles, 945 low was 173.6. And here you can see the same replica of the index chart price action. It is sweeping with the low of 171.4. See, after the liquidity sweep, there was no look back in the option premium. You cannot find the price coming to this level. Can you see it? Though in between it came down, it made a low of 185. It didn't come to 171.1, which was made on the intraday on yesterday. And also I use alligator indicator as my this win. The price action which is taking place, liquidity sweep which is taking place above the moving average. I am on the 15 minutes time frame as on the index chart. So I'm going to analyze the liquidity sweep day to day on this chart on to bring you profitable, consistent strategy. See, if you notice this, build a strategy based on this, not an indicator or anything, based on the bread and butter of the price action. It gives you confidence, more confidence, of course, with the help of certain indicators, because we need indicators to identify the trend. This, especially this alligator indicator, which will give you trend defining indicator, because if the market goes sideways, it will show you it causes intertwining. If I change the time frame to lower time frame to 5 minutes, you can see in this area the moving averages, alligator is converging. That's why sometimes people do mistakes staying on the very low time frame. But the ideal time frame to be on the intraday is 15 minutes, so that you will have a clarity view for your entry. You can refine with the 1 minute chart or 5 minutes chart. So when you see this 15 minutes in on that 15-minute time frame, when you see this liquidity sweep, go down to the mark this level. See, mark with the big. I'll mark with okay. I'll take a very good a prominent color indicator. I'm drawing an horizontal level. I've marked this level. This comes as 21,181, and go to the lower time frame, and you can seek an entry with this as the stop loss. You can lower time frame Also, you can see alligator converging and price is moving, and there is a market shift in the price action because it was falling like this, and this was the lower high, and this lower high has been captured and made an high. This price action is indicating there is a shift in the market structure, so that wait for a retracement. After seeing that, you can enter into almost around 21,299 and holding like this. Even on the option premium also, you can do that. Sometimes we will have the fear of premium decay, but these indicators, with the help of indicators and liquidity sweep, you can gain confidence to hold your position. See, after this liquidity sweep, the price actually had a whipsaw from this range to this range. In between 226 to 185, there was lot of whipsaws. Price went to 221 and came down to 205, not making the traders to hold the position. Hold the position. You should learn to hold the position, and you should not, and it will induce the traders to go wrong and to go into the put option. People will, after seeing the huge red candles, they will um, seek for going into the put option, even though the market is going towards the upside. So that is the wrong thing the traders will make, and they will end up in huge losses. So if you keep your mind straightforward, and if you analyze the chart as well as with the price action of the option premium also, you can see it is making an higher high. If you see previous day, it was a higher low and low here, and today it made a premium, has made an higher high, but not going to the this low. Even on the intraday chart, it didn't, option premium did not come to this low. You mark this low. You mark this previous day low. If you are in a confusion when the market starts correcting, when the market starts correcting, you will have a lot of confusion. So this will save you, and it will make you to be in a profitable position. So that is what I'm going to bring in the series for the liquidity sweep, so that you can be profitable and you can be confident enough and start observing the market. Start observing the market. Actually, I showed you on the 15 minutes chart. See, it's not visible at all. This visible, but place the cursor and see the low, what it is doing. If you see this, and this candle is a fakey candle, see, it it appeared to break below the range, and it is closing within the range. This is the fakey candle. This is the liquidity sweep candle. So friends, this is my effort to do a video and bring in a strategy. It is a powerful strategy if you follow this, not any strategy with moving, RSI or MFI or anything, that will not fetch you money. So once, see, on a daily chart, I will show you how the market gains strength by, this is the fakey candle, and see the market going to the 20,771 and closing within the range. And you came to know how the move has taken place. That was a huge 200 to 250 points jump on the Nifty, and the momentum has not faded at all till now. So it has continued and finished with a weekly finish with a Nifty gaining, going to the all-time high. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Start observing all the charts. for any fakey candle, that is an bread and butter of the price action, which will make you profitable. Once, wherever you notice, you just closely observe the price action. Price action is very, very important rather than, that is the only thing which will tell you in ahead of all the indicators. Not any indicators will tell you, because indicators are derivatives of the price action. Price will tell you what is happening in the market. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I've made an effort to explain it to you, the concept of liquidity sweep, why the liquidity sweep is important, how it is, how it forms the bread and butter of the price action, why the liquidity sweep will gather momentum for the price action, because the big money can only bring in movement in the price, not any retail trader. So these big money players will have shares in crores. They will also have a problem, because they have to exchange. They exchange shares with a large amount of quantity. So there should be a buyer or a seller for them. But this is an easy way, passive way of getting money exchanged for the smart money, big money people, to by engaging buyers and sellers and creating a range, so that they can creating a range and also stop losses, so that they can easily sweep the money. That's how so if you are with a big player, you can be profitable if you follow these are the footsteps of the big player. Sometimes it is not visible, you have to give close observation for that. That's what I've showed you on the intraday time frame, on 15-minute time frame. So you should be on the higher time frame, not on the 1 minute or 5 minutes, because scalping will not fetch you a lot of money. Being in the trade for a longer time will fetch you. Probably if you would have stayed in the stayed in the trade in an option yesterday, from 170 it went up to 340, almost 170, doubled your money, doubled the amount of the premium what you would have entered. That's what I'm telling you, friends. Try to observe this concept, follow this concept. I have explained it to you. I'll bring in more videos like this. Please kindly support me and subscribe to the channel, so that I'll bring in more content like this. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.